Good morning mga bike buds. Ride out tayo this Sunday. We're going to meet up with fellow classic bicycle enthusiasts. So, gana natin yung ProFlex. And mamaya we will be joining yung classic community. So punta muna tayo dun sa meeting place. See ya. And on the way to Build Cycles QC along Kalayaan Avenue QC. So riding pa lang. Medyo malapit lang tayo sa venue kaya hindi tayo ganun kaaga umalis. Dito tayo sa meeting place. So abang-abang lang. Wala ganong traffic, maluwag. Pero I think mamaya dadami saglit yung kotse. And then we will be with other friends. So see ya. Yun na tayo, yun na. Hahanap lang tayo ng U-turnan or tatawiran. So I think pwede ako tumabi dito. Para tumawid. Saglit.
I'm making good on their poster. Sabay ko lang sa wala, talaga.
Dami na. Mga So nandito tayo sa Build Cycles, dumating na yung mga tao. So ang dami na nila. Yan sila from different cities pa. Doon sila, doon. So in a few minutes, we're going to ride out and ikot somewhere. Then back here for a little gathering. So see you. Marami tayong makikilala dito. Resonate Coffee, Marikina.
Ayun, so pero we have sleepers and pinag-ride. Pagdating sa UP, sa something ma-assist lang ako.
Bikers, we are everywhere. Oh, dami. Ayun. Dami. Woohoo. Dami. 22 seconds. Ayan. Haba pala. Ayan. Dami na. We're in UP. Aba, hello. Naligo to sa vlog, may vlog tayo.
Guys,
Linis ulit mamaya.
grabe.
Ayan, mga bikes, ang dami. Bike galore. Iba-iba. Build Cycles QC. Ha? Yung mga frames. Dito tayo.
To upgrade the bike to suit the needs for community. Number one,
So tapos na tayo sa ride. Nag-show and tell lang tayo ng bike natin. We just show them yung build natin. At least it's a very very nice Sunday. So nakapag-ride tayo. We got to meet different people and happy. So on the way home, ayun, wala naman traffic. So okay lang.